Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this cross arithmetic puzzle. We have to replace each symbol with a digit in order to complete the 3 arithmetic problems across and down. No digit is represented by more than one symbol. If you look at what we've given, because all the equations given are given in symbols, we have to look through each one thoroughly to figure out which one will be easiest to start with. I'm going to start from my left hand side, and if you look at the content of my left hand side, I have the moon shape, the triangle, and the X box, subtracting the triangle, and the box. What we have is a button, the S and 2S shape. For you to have the same value, subtracting each other as shown, if I have the box minus another box, what it means is, in math, if you have any number, for example, if I have 4 minus 4, my answer would definitely be 0. Or if I have a variable, subtracting another variable, my answer will be 0. So what I can deduce from that is the symbol that looks like the S will be 0, because I have the same thing coming up in the middle symbol, where you have the triangle minus the triangle, giving you the same shape. So therefore, I've been able to deduce that the S shape, as shown, I'm going to draw it out. Therefore, the S shape is equal to 0. Now, if you look at the last sum as shown, because I've been able to deduce that my S shape is 0, what that means is, if I write 0 here, and then I still have my button on my left hand side, in this equation I'm adding, so therefore I need a value for my box plus my box will give me a 0 first, and then I need to regroup and carry a number to my left hand side, because we've been told that each symbol is a digit. The only digit that if I add together will give me a 0 is 5, because 5 plus 5 is 10. So what that means is, I've been able to deduce that the symbol, the box with X in the middle, will be equal to 5. The next combination I'm going to consider is my last row as shown. Now look at this in this way. Remember, the S shape is 0. So if I have that button symbol as shown, I have that with 0 and 0, that's the S shape, divided by the hourglass and the S shape, which is 0. My answer will be a button as shown and 0. Now we know that when you're dividing and you have 0 ending your numbers, I can take out the 0. That's by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 10. So I have this 0 going off. Now, what you're going to observe is that my answer, or what I have left, will be a button and a 0 divided by the hourglass shape equals a button and a 0. The only number, or the universal number, that we can divide that will still give the same value as your numerator is 1. So what I can prove from here is that the hourglass, as shown, will have a value of 1. So therefore, I'm going to put that back into the diagram. Then going to the middle equation, if I write that out, I have the triangle I have the triangle, the box is 5, then we have the function minus, then we have the hourglass, which is 1, and the other box, which is 5. The answer is 10. That's the hourglass and the S shape. So if you look at the function, on my right hand side, 5 minus 5 will give me 0. Something minus 1 will give me 1. So if I have a box, minus 1 equals to 1. Using the balance method, my triangle will be 1 plus 1. Therefore, my triangle will be equal to 2, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So, in summary, my triangle will have a value of 2. Now, to find the value of my button, I'm going to use the last equation. And writing that out, I have 25 plus, that's the function, 15, that's the hourglass in the box, will give me, I don't know what the button is, I'm going to put my button. We know the S shape is 0. Now if I'm doing my normal addition, I have 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm regrouping, so I add 1 to my left hand side. I have 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So what that means is the value of my button as shown will be 4. And for my final shape, if I use the first set of equation, I'm going to write that out. And I have the moon shape. I have the triangle, which is 2, the box 5. Then I'm subtracting the triangle, that's 2, 2, 5. And my answer is, I have 0, 0. And then I have the button, which is 4. I'm going to change that. The button is 4. So the function is minus. So I have 5 minus 5, 0. I have 2 minus 2, 0. To get 4, I have the moon shape minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, using the balance method, the moon shape will be 4. I'm taking minus 2 to the right-hand side, it becomes a plus. Therefore, the value of the moon shape is 6. So therefore, my moon shape is equal to 6. And if you look at the sum, if I have the moon shape as 6, 625 minus 225 is 400. And if you look at the other sums, 625 divided by 25, that's 25. 225 divided by 15 is 15. I have 400 divided by 10, that's 40. Thanks for watching. Bye.